So, you want to know how instantly link your iPhone to your TV? I got you. The fastest way and easiest way to link your iPhone to a TV is often through Apple's AirPlay technology. If you have an Apple TV or an AirPlay comfortable smart TV, ensure both your iPhone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. On your iPhone, swipe down to the top right corner or up from the bottom from older models to open Control Center. Tap the screen mirroring icon, which looks like an overlapping rectangle. Your TV appears on the list selected. Your iPhone screen will then be mirrored directly onto your television. For streaming specific content, videos, or photos, open the app and tap on AirPlay icon, a TV with the arrow pointing up, and choose your TV. If it don't play, you have the AirPlay use Lightning Digital AV adapter or an HDMI to physically connect your iPhone to the TV, which also provides an instant link, and that's it.